Title: ɡrəʊθ, the journey of endless possibilities. Meaning: today, we're discussing the word ɡrəʊθ. Growth is a noun that represents the process of development, expansion, and progress in various aspects of life. It signifies the continuous journey of realizing one's potential and embracing new possibilities. Pronunciation: pronouncing ɡrəʊθ is simple, ɡrəʊθ, with a soft G and clear enunciation. Use in a sentence. For example, personal growth often involves learning from experiences, gaining new skills, and becoming a better version of oneself. Importance: growth is a fundamental part of life, as it allows individuals, communities, and organizations to evolve, adapt, and thrive. Conclusion: in summary, growth is a word that represents the ongoing journey of development, offering endless opportunities for progress and self-discovery. Thanks for joining us today on Connect to World. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more educational and informative content. Stay tuned for our next word exploration. Until then, embrace the beauty of growth in all its forms and continue to reach for your full potential.